American Rounds, an automated ammunition dispenser company, has installed what are being described as, quote, ammo vending machines at multiple grocery store locations in Alabama and Oklahoma. The machines reportedly sell a variety of shotgun, rifle, and handgun rounds, according to local news. While firearm sales face certain federal restrictions, ammunition remains largely unregulated in the U.S. Still, the Gun Control Act requires purchasers of ammunition for rifles or shotguns to be 18 years old. KOCO5 News in Oklahoma City reported that a buyer must be at least 21 to purchase ammunition from the dispensers. However, in lieu of a clerk who can check a buyer's age, American Round's website states that the dispensers use AI technology, including facial recognition software and card scanning, to verify a customer's identity. Transactional data is kept, but the company does not share information that is collected during the purchase. According to American Round's CEO, Grant Majors, the machines do not limit how much ammunition a customer can buy. But the company can remotely shut down any unit at any time if a shooting threat is in the area, Majors said in an email to IEN. The ammo vending machines are available at a pair of Fresh Value grocery stores in Alabama and 4 Super C Marts in Oklahoma. Additionally, KOCO reported that the company has begun operating dispensers in Texas and Colorado. However, the Tuscaloosa location encountered resistance, as ABC 3340 in Birmingham, Alabama reported that Fresh Value removed the machine on July 3rd. The action followed a pre-council meeting that questioned the legality of the dispenser. The city's legal department concluded that the machines are legal if installed in retail businesses with appropriate zoning. ABC 3340 cited a Fresh Value grocery store manager who said the machine was removed due to a lack of sales. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.